The human body is an extraordinary marvel, a complex and fascinating machine that never ceases to amaze. From the tiniest cell to the largest organ, our bodies are a symphony of interconnected systems working tirelessly to keep us alive and functioning. We often take our bodies for granted, but beneath the surface lies a world of wonder, filled with astonishing facts and intriguing mysteries waiting to be unlocked. Join me on a captivating journey as we delve into the depths of our physical selves, exploring some of the most surprising and awe-inspiring aspects of the human body. Prepare to be astounded by the remarkable capabilities of your own anatomy, from the sensitivity of your nerves to the subtle glow of bioluminescence. We'll uncover the science behind everyday phenomena, like blushing and daily height fluctuations, and discover how these seemingly insignificant occurrences play a vital role in our overall health and well-being. This exploration is an invitation to appreciate the intricate workings of your own body, a testament to the extraordinary nature of human existence. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an enlightening adventure into the inner workings of the most incredible machine you'll ever own, your own body. You've probably experienced it, that strange tingling sensation when you hit your funny bone. Contrary to its humorous nickname, the funny bone isn't actually a bone at all. It's the ulnar nerve, a sensitive pathway that runs along the inside of your elbow. The ulnar nerve is responsible for transmitting signals to and from your hand, controlling sensation and movement in your fingers. When you bump your elbow, you're actually compressing this nerve against the bone, disrupting its normal function. The result is that peculiar tingling, often accompanied by a feeling of numbness or weakness in your hand. While the sensation is temporary and usually harmless, it serves as a stark reminder of the delicate nature of our nervous system. The ulnar nerve, like all nerves in our body, is a vital communication channel, relaying information between different parts of our anatomy. Its sensitivity highlights the intricate network of nerves that allows us to interact with the world around us. Blushing, that familiar reddening of our cheeks and ears, is a uniquely human phenomenon. While we often associate blushing with embarrassment or shyness, its origins and purpose go beyond mere social awkwardness. Blushing is an involuntary physiological response triggered by the sympathetic nervous system. When we experience certain emotions like embarrassment, anxiety, or attraction, our brains send signals that dilate the blood vessels in our faces. This increased blood flow causes the characteristic flush we know as blushing. While the exact function of blushing remains a subject of debate, some scientists believe it serves as a social signaling mechanism. By visibly displaying our emotional state, blushing may act as a non-verbal apology or a sign of submission, helping to smooth social interactions. Others suggest that blushing may play a role in regulating body temperature, dissipating heat through increased blood flow to the skin. Bioluminescence, the emission of light by living organisms, is a captivating phenomenon often associated with creatures like fireflies and jellyfish. But did you know that humans also emit a faint, albeit invisible, glow? While we may not light up the night sky like fireflies, our bodies produce a subtle bioluminescence through a process called ultra-weak photon emission. This faint light is generated by the chemical reactions occurring within our cells, a byproduct of our metabolism. The intensity of human bioluminescence is extremely low, about 1,000 times weaker than the human eye can detect. However, specialized cameras can capture this subtle glow, revealing patterns of light emission that vary throughout the day and across different parts of the body. Section 5. Height fluctuations, daily ups and downs. We often think of our height as a fixed attribute, a measurement that remains constant throughout adulthood. However, our height actually fluctuates throughout the day, with subtle variations occurring from morning to night. When we wake up in the morning, we are at our tallest. Throughout the day, the cartilage discs in our spine compress due to gravity and the stresses of daily activities. This compression can reduce our height by up to 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. As we rest and sleep, the cartilage discs rehydrate and expand, restoring our height to its maximum. This daily cycle of compression and decompression highlights the dynamic nature of our skeletal system, constantly adapting to the demands placed upon it. Section 6. The power of touch. Touch is a fundamental human sense, essential for our physical and emotional well-being. From the gentle caress of a loved one to the firm grip of a handshake, touch conveys a wealth of information and elicits a range of physiological and emotional responses. Our skin, the largest organ of our body, is a complex sensory organ covered in millions of nerve endings that detect pressure, temperature, and pain. These receptors transmit signals to the brain, allowing us to perceive the world through touch. Touch plays a crucial role in social bonding, emotional regulation, and even physical health. Studies have shown that touch can reduce stress, lower heart rate, and boost the immune system. Infants, in particular, thrive on touch, which promotes healthy development and emotional security. Section 7. The Symphony of Senses. Our senses are the gateways to the world around us, allowing us to experience the richness and diversity of our environment. Sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch work in concert, creating a symphony of sensory input that shapes our perceptions and influences our behavior. Each sense relies on specialized receptors that detect specific stimuli, converting them into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. Our eyes capture light, our ears detect sound waves, our noses discern odors, our tongues savor flavors, and our skin registers pressure and temperature. The interplay of our senses creates a holistic sensory experience, allowing us to perceive the world in all its complexity. We rely on our senses, not only for survival, but also for enjoyment, learning, and social connection. The digestive system is a complex and efficient machine responsible for breaking down the food we eat into nutrients our bodies can absorb. From the moment we take a bite to the elimination of waste, the digestive process is a marvel of biological engineering. The journey begins in the mouth, where teeth grind food and saliva begins the process of chemical breakdown. The food then travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that propels it into the stomach. In the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes further break down food into a liquid mixture. From the stomach, the partially digested food moves into the small intestine, where most nutrient absorption takes place. The small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. Finally, the remaining waste products move into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste is eliminated. Our immune system is a powerful defense force, constantly patrolling our bodies to protect us from harmful invaders. From microscopic bacteria and viruses to larger parasites, the immune system is equipped with a sophisticated arsenal to identify and eliminate threats. The immune system consists of a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body. White blood cells, the foot soldiers of the immune system, circulate throughout the body, seeking out and destroying pathogens. Antibodies, specialized proteins produced by the immune system, target specific invaders, marking them for destruction. The immune system has an extraordinary ability to learn and remember, developing immunity to pathogens it has encountered before. This immunological memory allows the body to mount a faster and more effective response upon subsequent exposure to the same pathogen. The human brain is the most complex and enigmatic organ in the body, a biological marvel that orchestrates our thoughts, emotions, actions, and perceptions. Weighing in at about 3 pounds, the brain is a densely packed network of billions of neurons, interconnected by trillions of synapses. The brain is divided into distinct regions, each specialized for specific functions. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is responsible for higher-level cognitive functions, including language, memory, and reasoning. The cerebellum coordinates movement and balance. The brainstem controls basic life functions, such as breathing and heart rate. Despite decades of research, the brain remains largely a mystery. Scientists are still unraveling the intricacies of how the brain works, exploring the neural basis of consciousness, memory, and emotion. The human body is an extraordinary marvel, a testament to the intricate beauty and complexity of life. From the sensitivity of the ulnar nerve to the subtle glow of bioluminescence, our bodies are filled with astonishing facts and intriguing mysteries. We've explored the science behind blushing, the daily fluctuations in our height, and the power of touch. We've marveled at the symphony of our senses, the digestive system's efficiency, and the immune system's vigilant defense. and we've delved into the enigmatic realm of the brain, our internal universe. As we conclude this journey into the wonders of the human body, let us remember that we are not merely passive occupants of these remarkable vessels. We are active participants in the ongoing miracle of life, shaping and influencing our physical selves through our choices, actions, and experiences. Let us cherish and care for these incredible machines that carry us through life, appreciating the intricate workings that allow us to experience the world in all its richness and wonder.